J2P have been investigating happiness.
We became explorers and scientists, experimenting with ideas and activities to find out how to feel happier. The good news is, scientists have been working on this topic already. They have discovered activities and ways of thinking that could help.
Here are some happiness facts. Happiness is good for your health and your relationships with others.
Happiness is contagious. Our happiness can influence the people we know, and the people they 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 know.
Happiness really is good for your heart.
Let's think for a minute. What are the things that help us to feel happy? This is a great place to start. We are all different people, so what helps each of us feel happy can be different too.
Be a happiness investigator.
Does feeling happy mean that I never have to feel unhappy? Can I be happy all the time?
That's not realistic. Struggles and difficulties are part of life too. Sometimes things happen that naturally mean we feel sad, angry, upset, or afraid.
Living happily is not about ignoring these feelings, but learning how to respond in the best way we can.
There are times when we need to work hard and deal with challenges. It may not feel good at the time, but can lead to feeling happier later. Things that are really hard, confusing, and frustrating can become achievements to be proud of.
Now let's start unlocking some secrets to feeling happier and see what can be discovered.
Experts at Action for Happiness have worked out 10 keys to happy living. The activities we tried in J2P fit into one of these 10 keys.
Is giving, doing kind things for others.
So the first key is about other people's happiness, not our own.
Absolutely. Science shows that helping others can have the same effect on our brain as receiving a gift ourselves or eating our favourite food. It can also take our mind off our own worries. Why not make a list of all the ways you could be kind or help other people? Don't forget to tick off everything you've tried.
In J2P, we set up a kindness box to put compliments and notes about the kind things people have done for us and actions we have seen done for others.
Dear Oliver, I think you were really good at house corner football yesterday. I am glad you are in our class. You are really good at art. From Hattie. P.S. I can imagine how proud you make your family.
We challenge you to complete 5 new acts of kindness every day.
Key number 2, relating. Connect with other people.
Did you know we are 30 times more likely to laugh when we are with another person than when we are on our own? We started thinking about how we listen to others. This is an important skill that you can practice straight away.
When someone speaks to you, stop what you are doing and give your full attention to the speaker. Look at them and smile in a friendly way. Listen carefully to what they say and how they say it. Wait until they've finished before you reply. When they've spoken, ask a question to show you're interested.
Being a careful listener shows that you care.
Key number 3, exercising and taking care of your body. Good physical health is important for your happiness.
Here are our top tips.
Number 1. Move more and sit down less. Number 2. Eat healthily. Number 3. Get enough sleep.
Exercising regularly can improve brain power, help us learn, and boost confidence.
Getting a good night's sleep's very important. Too little sleep makes us grumpy, easily upset, and less able to concentrate and learn. And even worse, it makes us reach out for too many sugary snacks.
Stick to a regular bedtime. Have a milky drink an hour before sleep. Make your bedtime space cozy, quiet and dark. Switch off screens and devices and read a good book instead.
Number 4. Awareness. Live your life mindfully.
The past is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That's why we call it the present.
Focus your attention on what you're doing right now. Notice what is around you and who you're talking to.
In J2P, we made time to have a mindful minute. We spent 60 seconds just focusing on our breath.
Here's how. Find a quiet place. Sit on a chair with both feet on the ground and your back straight. Place your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Notice your breath and how it feels. Focus on the tip of your nose. If your mind wanders, don't worry. Just bring it back to your breath.
This can really help if you feel angry or upset. It can calm you down.
Why don't you try taking a mindful walk to practice noticing and being present?
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry.
Key number 5. Trying out. Keep learning new things.
In every life we have
Learning is not just something you do at school. You can learn all the time through games, hobbies, exploring, reading and being creative.
The power of yet.
Instead of saying, I can't do this, or I'm no good, try adding the word yet to help with your frustration.
Don't worry, be happy.
Everyone has something they can teach to others, and you can learn a lot from the people around you.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry.
Trying something new can be a bit scary at first, but it can also be lots of fun. Christopher, can you say Langa plus gringo go girls go gogo Landa senor go 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 Langa plus gwingeres go drogo Landa senor go go go.
Key number 6. Direction. Have goals to look forward to.
Goals are the stepping stones that will take you from where you are now to where you want to be and will help you turn your dreams into a reality.
The hardest part can be getting started. Even if your dream is big, you can start by taking one small step.
Key number 7, resilience. Finding ways to bounce back.
Being resilient is how we deal with difficult situations and bounce back from tough times.
Difficulties are part of life. We all have ups and downs when we feel sad, angry, lonely. Resilience is finding a way to manage situations and feelings.
If you feel anxious, it can help to take in a few deep and slow breaths to help you feel calmer.
You could get active and go for a walk.
Ask for help when you need it and find a safe adult or a good friend to talk to. Doing something you enjoy can take your mind away from your worries.
Psychologists call resilience ordinary magic because we all have resilience and we can all develop more of it. We had fun making bounce back balloons.
Put a smile on your face. Don't bring everybody down like this.
Knowing who we can go to for help is very important, like having an umbrella in the rain. Other people can help when we are struggling.
Who can we turn to? Members of our families, other safe adults, teachers, or good friends?
Key number 8, emotions. Look for what's good.
Being in a happy mood doesn't just feel good, it does you good too.
Training your brain to spot and remember the good things you see and experience can help you feel more happiness each day.
Start by experimenting with smiles. Smile at someone and see if they smile back.
Be a happiness collector. Write down 3 things that you have enjoyed, are grateful for, or are pleased about before you go to sleep each day.
You can have an attitude of gratitude because being thankful is a happiness superpower.
Gratitude helps us appreciate what we have and what's around us.
These lovely children made a gratitude tree to celebrate things that they are grateful for in their lives.
Perhaps you could do the same.
Key number 9, acceptance. Be comfortable with who you are.
Do you focus on what you do wrong more than you do right? Do you compare yourself to others and dwell on what you don't like about yourself?
That's what you want to do. Hey, go!
Learning to accept who you are and making the most of your strengths is an important happiness skill. It's about treating yourself like you would a good friend. Strengths are the positive qualities people have. They might be things they are naturally good at, or personal qualities that make a difference to those around them. Spotting, using and developing our own strengths is a helpful happiness skill. Once you know what your strengths are, it's time to put them to work. Boost your happiness by finding ways to use them when you have to do something you don't like doing.
One of our class rules is to speak to yourself with a kind voice.
Key number 10, meaning. Be a part of something bigger.
Meaning matters for happiness, but what does meaning mean?
Meaning is about knowing how you connect and contribute to the world around you. It's about understanding that you and what you do matters.
Think bigger than your own happiness.
Make the world a happier place!
With a sense of meaning in your life, you'll feel positive, resilient and confident.
Think about how you can make a difference to the world around you.
In J2P, we have been busy completing happiness tasks.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you.
Let's see what we've been up to.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like feel good. I knew that I would not. So good, so good. I got you. Wow, I feel nice. A sugar and spice. I feel nice. A sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. And when I hold you in my arms, my love won't do you no harm. And I feel nice, that sugar and spice.
The important thing to remember is that we can all make a difference. Even the smallest actions can lead to a happier you and a happier world.
We hope you can take these keys to happier living and use them in your daily life.
Make happiness a habit and share ideas with your friends. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination.
My love can't do me no harm, and I feel nice, a sugar and spice. I feel nice, a sugar and spice.